Has your turf been decimated by the gruesome grub? If so, let's do some prevention measures. This video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to Lawn Journeys. It's Russ. Nice to have you here as always. In today's video, we're going to talk about lawn grubs. We're going to talk about the life cycle of the grub. We're going to talk about what you can do to combat the grubs before they damage your lawn. And lastly, we're going to talk about a product that you can use to prevent those nasty grubs. We're going to talk about the rate of application and when to apply. So come on with me and let's get going. All right, team, so I want to walk you through this grub video. It's not going to be long, but stick with me. If you guys are new to lawn care, you may find this very informative. You guys have heard about grubs? You may be saying, what is a grub? Grubs are larval or immature stages of many species of beetles. Grubs are a problem because they feed on your lawn roots and damage your grass. Healthier grass can tolerate more grub feeding, but a large population can decimate your lawn and probably won't be detected until after the damage is done. Grass with damaged roots will begin to thin yellow and die. Irregular patches of brown may begin to appear irregularly at different places in your turf. Grass will feel very spongy and may pull up very easily. Grub-infested lawns are very susceptible to summer stress and drought. Class is in session. Let's talk about the grub life cycle. All of these beetles, June bugs, and or mayflies go through 4 distinct forms during their life cycle: egg, grub, pupa, and adult. Now you have grubs in your lawn from the previous season. In late spring, early summer, adults will emerge from your soil. They'll mate and lay eggs for the next 3 weeks. At this point, the new larvae go on a eating tear for the rest of the summer, and they will feast on your turf and they will destroy it. By the time you see the damage, we're talking late summer. Since grubs generally strike in mid to late summer, the best time to treat for grubs is now. Late spring, early summer. Grub inhibitor products such as Scott's Grub X1 provide season-long grub killing action, which prevents eggs from maturing and hatching. Treatments impact egg maturation of white grubs, sod web worms, and larvae of Japanese beetles and more, as you guys can see right here on a bag. One application can last for about 4 months, so you want to get this product applied in late spring. I know there's a lot of concern with the grub products, especially the preventives, and a couple years ago this specific Grub X formulation, active ingredient, was changed. The literature says that it is harmless to earthworms, wasps, bees, and other wildlife if you use it in accordance with the directions on the bag. The key to successfully and effectively applying Grub X effectiveness is using it when the adult insects lay their eggs. Therefore, apply Grub X throughout spring or early summer. The Scott's company suggests treating every 1,000 square feet of your lawn with 2.87 pounds of Grub X once per year. Use a dropper rotary spreader to spread the pesticide evenly over the surface of your yard. Follow up by watering your lawn to activate the product. It's recommended that you get at least a ½ inch of water down after you apply. Keep pets and kids off the grass until the water is thoroughly soaked in. Once your lawn or garden dries, it's safe for your family and pets. If you've had a grub problem in the past, it's likely that you could get hit again this season. This preventive measure will save you tons of headaches. I've had fungus infestations over the years. I did have grubs once. They ate up a big chunk of my front lawn. I was able to pull it up with my hands, and it's just devastating. You got to wait for the fall. You got to do an overseed. You also then have to apply a grub killer because you want to knock that population down. Normally, I refrain from applying unnecessary pesticides, but this video is focused for those of you guys who've had grub problems last year and you don't want to run into it again. There are some other natural remedies such as Milky Spore. I'll leave some links below that you can look into. But if you got torn up last season and you guys want to hit it, I don't think you know, you're going down a wrong road if you do one application of Grub X. Try to do some preventive, try to get a hold of the situation, and refrain from going down that tragic road that you may have experienced last year. So as always, we're going to go to the loading station. I'm going to open this bag. I'm just going to show you what the granular looks like. It's easy to spread. Get it down, get your 1/2 inch of water in. You're protected for the season. All right, team, let's get this Grub X into my Earthway 2600. If you're interested in the spreader, there is a video. It is a pesticide. I am wearing gloves, although I don't plan on really touching this product. It's a very fine granular. So follow the instructions on the bag or weigh your product so you know how much material to disperse over a specific area. Get out there, get it done. Okay, team. So to wrap things up, we did our grub prevention. In this video, we explained the grub life cycle, how grubs can damage your lawn, when they damage your lawn, what preventive product or products are available, when to apply them, and at what application rate. If you don't do this, and you do experience another grub infestation in late summer where you're able to roll your lawn up like a carpet, then there are other products, which I'll link to below, that will kill the grubs. At that point, Grub X isn't going to do you any good because there aren't eggs in the lawn at that point that we're trying to stop from maturing. You have active grub infestation and they are munching on your roots. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let me know if you've used these products. If you do something else, we can share notes. There are other people that read the comments. It's a good community in the DIY. I also invite you to come back to Lawn Journeys. I have some other interesting videos that I'll be working on, such as mosquito control and fungal control. I've had fungus problems in my lawn in years past. Guys that subscribe to my channel, you know you've heard me talk about it before, but I'll be starting my summer fungal control program again. So if you're new to DIY and that's also something you want to learn about, come on back. Get out there, get it done. Control your grubs if you've had a problem. And I will see you guys next time on Lawn Journeys.